Hi everyone and welcome to another unboxing. This is a monthly subscription and it's from the amazing mystery box and it's $19.99 a month and it's two pops, one mug and a t-shirt. And yep. And before we get into it, let's have a look at, they got some stamps I want you to see. Some nice stamps. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. I quite like them. I wish that'd stop. I'll throw it out the fucking window in a minute. That keeps on. See, I'm a busy person. People message me all the time. Oh, before we go any further, you might have guessed by now that this video might contain adult language. If you're easily offended, then you can leave before I open the box. As I was saying, stamps are nice, and I think who's ever easily offended, it's pissed off now. So without further ado, number 5 is alive. Cut it. Now we're going to cut. Yep. One. This is bloody sharp, this knife. Ouch! Oh, look at that. Number 5, you cut me, I'll throw you. I'm only joking. No, I wouldn't. Yeah. So, I mean, I'm quite pleased with this box. You know, $19.99 a month. You know, and yeah, you get a mug. I mean, I've been looking at mugs online, and I'll put the box over here so you can have a look at Burgess Hill Station. Yeah, and the shop next to it is a little newsagent. Yeah, cool, mate. Yeah, and what was I saying? Bloody hell! Oh yeah, some of the mugs you get in here are worth a tenner. Some of the t-shirts are, well, they range from about 8 to 12 quid. I mean, that's 2 items, and some of the pops, you know, they're about tenner. Yeah, 10, 12 quid. So you add it all up, you know, I think you get a bargain. Without any further ado, I'm waffling. Let's have a look at the t-shirt. Oh, Rocky! Ha ha! Sweet! It's official, Rocky. Adrian! Look at that Italian stallion. Take out the Italian, and that's me, the stallion. Yeah, you wish. Yeah. Rocky! Adrian! Yeah, well, if I knew he was going to whip me, I wouldn't have got in the ring, would I? Oh. Right, let's have a look at this. Alright, it's a 2XL. It's going to be a bit tight. But that showed my muscles off anyway, wasn't it? Oh, it's not black, it's charcoal colour. Italian stallion. Yeah. You see, this easily is worth, you know, 10 to 12 quid. I mean, look at it. That's lovely. I love that. Yeah. I mean, I walk down the road in that. You know. Not a problem. As you can see, it's a lovely one. Show you again, look. Rocky! Yep. Look how beautiful that is. in a goldish colour, yellowish, goldish. Yep. Look at that. One t-shirt. You know, I can't see why more people don't get the... Well, I expect they do. But I quite like it because it's good value for money. Let's get... Hang on, I can't see what I'm doing. Let's get the pop out. One pop. Oh, this is Ragnar. 4 Ragnar. Hella. Fucking piss off. That one. Yeah, Ragnar. I think I haven't got any of these. I've got yeah, which one have I got? I've got the fire one. That's 4. So yeah, let's yeah. She has got wings on her head. Yeah. I don't know, we'll have a look at this later. Yes, also you can follow me on Instagram where I take photos and you can have a closer look at things. Yeah, on Instagram. Follow me or come and find me on Instagram, and yeah, you can see it in more detail. I take good photos, I do. Well, I'm trying to let you look. See, we'll put that there. This make out it's waiting for a train. Choo choo, choo 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 choo. Yeah, whatever. Right, and I think we nearly knocked the box over. Let's have a look at the mug. Star Wars. A coffee mug. Oh, so sorry. It's a coffee mug. Yeah. Hey, these are worth a bit of dosh and all, you know. This is about a tenner. Yeah. I got the other one. I got, what you call it? The barrel mug. Yeah. This is that, I can't think of its name. It's gone. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, what's its name? Oh God. Yeah, it'll come to me sooner or later. Oh, I can get it out for you. And the coffee mug. Oh dear, look at me. Yeah, right, hold on. Yeah, there we go. Right. Have a look inside. Nice and white inside, obviously. And as you can see, BB Storm Droid. Strummer. Oh, I can't bleed today. Jesus. Would have I put my glasses on, wouldn't it? Yeah, well, you lot know what I mean. Official Star Wars. Yeah. I mean, it's all official stuff. I mean, that's official. I mean, that's easily between 10 and 15 quid. I mean, this is a good tenner. So, yeah, you know, let's call it 20 quid. And I don't know how much those are. You know. Oops, let's get them. We'll sort that out in a minute. Yeah. And let's get the last pop. Oh, pop out. Oh. Right. I've already got this one. Yeah. Yeah, I've already got this one. So this is a double. Oh, is it? Let's have a look. What number? Yeah, number 10. Yeah. Yeah, anybody out there that wants it, come and find me on Instagram or email me. and I'll send it to you. Yeah, just say Burgess Hill Station, and yeah, the first one to email me and say Burgess Hill Station, yeah, I'll let you have it. I'll send it to you. Yeah, yes, if you want it. But if not, I'm on Instagram where you can come and find me, look at all my photos. I've got some of my spiders, my tarantulas on there. Not all of them, but some of them. And I've got other stuff on there that I'm always willing to sell or trade. Yeah. So remember, I'm on Instagram. So come and find me, have a look. And yeah, if you want any stuff, just email me on it. And we'll come to some arrangement. Yeah, I mean, if you're wondering what kind of trade I wouldn't mind doing, you know, I'm a big fan of Game of Thrones, so if you've got any Game of Thrones and you want some of my stuff, I'll happily trade it, not a problem. Not a problem. Yes, so once again, if you want this, say Burgess Hill Station, first one to email me, we'll get it. Yep, but you must say Burgess Hill train station. Yeah, if you don't know where Burgess Hill is, blink and you'll miss it. That's that kind of little town, just outside Brighton. You know, we just discovered electricity, I think. You know, it's that small. But anyway, less than that. And a quick recap of what we got. We have got South Park Professor Chaos. We have also a Star Wars mug. Yeah. Which is quite nice. And hella, that one. For Ragnarok, whatever his name is. And of course, the Bobby Dazzler of all, Rocky! Adrian! Rocky! Oh, I can go on, can't I? Yeah. Oh, never mind. But like I said, what I should say, but Burgess Hill Stallion on that. Yeah. Oh, I love it, don't I? Well, it's like I said, this is a subscription from the mystery box. I'll put a link down below of it. And like I said, t-shirts worth between 10 and 15. That's easy worth a tenner. So that's, call it 20. Call this £8. Yeah, easy, about 30 odd quid worth of stuff. Yeah, you get your money back. It's like I said, it's all good stuff. I like it. And yeah, if you liked it, enjoyed this video, please subscribe. If you didn't, still just subscribe. You know, thumbs up, thumbs down, all that thingamajiggy. And just a reminder, I'm on Instagram. If you want this one, then email me. Say Burgess Hill Station, leave your address, and I will send it to you. Yep. And all the people in this video walking were not harmed in any way. They were not tied up or harmed in any way. But yeah. Yep. So thank you for watching, and follow me on Instagram, subscribe, and like I said, first one to email me, I will send the chaos to them. Okay then, thank you, bye bye.